Okay, let's open the gift from your tita. The other gift. Are you excited? Later na yan. Oh, this one. Here's gift from tita. Oh, you open. Sige. Uy, very good. Wow, good job for opening your gift. Sige, open. Open. Are you excited to see your gift? Wow, it's a book. Wow. No, it's not a book. Sorry. What is this? Whoa, wow, LCD writing tablet. Oh, wow, you're trying to open it. Okay, let's try to open. Let mommy help you. You want mommy to help you open it? Wow, you get a tablet writing pad. Sige, sige, you get it. Go, go, go. Uy. Sige. Sige, try. Sige. Wow! Yay! You got the LCD writing tablet. Wow! Isn't it so nice? Are you happy? Wow! You know how to play this one? All you have to do is to use this writing pen. Sige, you're right there. This is how you do it. Wow! Oh, it's amazing. Oh, wow. Do you like it? You're having fun? Wow, thank you, Tita, for this gift. It's so fun to play this toy. Yay!